steps and the correct execution are specified in standards and directives. Rope. For this procedure, the rope maker measures the precise distances, cuts defined lengths of wires, and binds them around the wire rope. This broom. For this, all wires in the rope are untwisted to a previously calculated length. To do this, the rope maker bends the so-called stranded wires open. A rope consists of multiple stranded wires. One stranded wire consists of a core wire and one or more layers of round wires. The individual rope broom. For this, the rope maker needs 30 minutes, the tool, and high precision. Manufactured ultrasonic cleaning devices for the cleaning process, which is followed by 3 washing cycles at boiling temperatures to remove any remaining traces of grease. Thus, step, the rope maker chilled casting for the spelter socket. The warming process starts. The Karlstahl rope maker uses a special burner attachment to preheat the chilled casting to precisely 225 degrees Celsius. In parallel, that has been specially designed tin alloy into the chilled casting in a single motion. The maker concentrates on a flowing and uniform casting procedure. To exclude the possibility of air entrap, the rope spelter socket cools at room temperature and reaches its full strength after approximately 1 to 2. If the test is passed, the rope maker adds the Karlstahl identifier to the rope spelter socket and thus documents the high Karlstahl